Pretty Peacock. We also have some Mossy Meadow, I think, in there. Lost Lagoon, a little bit of Pool Party. So there's lots of colors that I can play with in here. And I've chosen to stamp in my Pretty Peacock. So let's pull in our stamps. We have all three of them here. And you want to figure out where you're going to stamp your words. This one is probably the easiest. So let's start with that one. So this one here is going to be my vertical happy birthday, and I'm going to have it come down here. So try and get it as straight as possible, ink that up. Now when you're working with a vertical stamp that is fairly narrow, you want to really try your hardest just to place it straight down. Don't rock it from side to side at all, because there's really not much room there and you could get some halo effect with your ink. So pick up your ink lightly and then stamp it down. And I'm going to try and stamp it nice and straight here. And I don't want it to go too far, so I'm just pressing it down lightly, okay, so that I've just got my happy birthday there. I think I'm going to go with this one down here, and the reason why is that there's a little bit more going on here, so a bigger stamp with more ink is probably going to show up a little easier. So these are some of the things that you want to think about when you're stamping. Lift up so you can still see that. I think I'm going to put it up here and try and get this one nice and straight here too. Here we go. So that's what we have for our words.
Thanks so much for watching. I'd appreciate you taking a quick moment and clicking that like button and following me here. Thanks very much. Have a great day.